Hello friends, I hope you're doing well. And here 365 promotion story banner design in PSD file. That's mean file for Adobe Photoshop. But these are password protected. First you need subscription for access of my all file. Okay. Go to sheriskpwd.com. Here three membership plan, 130 days, 90 days and lifetime membership, unlimited download, one time payment and all premium stock content. Okay, now here 70 templates in this one folder, all are PSD. Here 118. Next here 7 templates, here 20 multi-purpose and here 10. Next here 10, 35, 34 promotion and here real estate 15, special fashion here 8. You can edit in Photoshop. And here travel stories 9 templates. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me. Allah Hafiz.